Welcome, everyone. If you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or a solopreneur, you know the feeling. You're juggling a million things, trying to grow your business, and it can be totally overwhelming. Well, my mission here is to arm you with AI skills that go beyond just making you money. I want to help you build a business that actually works for you, even when you're sleeping. And today, we're diving into a completely free Google Toolkit that can make that happen.
So let's just start with a number we all know too well, $50 a month. A lot of the really powerful AI tools out there start at this price point, right? And when you start stacking a few of them together, well, that bill gets big fast. For small teams or solo flyers, that's a huge barrier. It feels like you have to pay just to compete. But here's the question that changes everything. What if you could get all of that power, and maybe even more, without spending a single penny? Seriously, that's what we're talking about today. Google has been quietly rolling out a set of 7 AI tools that are so powerful they can literally replace your entire paid tech stack. And we're about to walk through every single one. Okay, here's how we're going to break it down. First, we're going to build your business engine, the core systems that run everything. Then, we'll fuel up your marketing machine, automating your content from the very beginning, from strategy to final execution. And last, we'll look at how to create professional-level assets, like images and audio, whenever you need them. Let's get into it.
All right, part 1, building your business engine. The whole idea here is to set up systems that do the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about creating a business that can grow and operate even when you've stepped away from the keyboard. First up, we've got AI Studio built. Now, don't let a name like that intimidate you because this tool is absolutely incredible. You literally just describe the app you want in simple English, and it builds it for you, no code. For instance, you could just type, hey, build me a landing page for my event. I need fields for name, email, and a way to take payments. And bam, it generates a real working web page right there. Think of all the things you can build. Landing pages, client portals, stuff you used to have to hire a developer for. Next in the engine room is Opal. You can think of this one as your personal in-house automation expert. You just describe a workflow you need, and Opal builds a simple app for you and your team to use. A fantastic example is telling it to create a tool where I can just type in a topic and it'll spit out 10 viral YouTube video titles for me. In just a few seconds, you've got a custom tool that makes your content process so much easier. So just to make the difference super clear, here it is. AI Studio Build is for things that face the public, the apps and pages your customers will actually see and use. Opal, on the other hand, is for your internal team. It's all about building those little custom tools that make your own business run smoother on the inside. Okay, let's shift gears into part 2, fueling your marketing machine. This is where we get to stop drowning in that day-to-day content creation grind and let AI handle the heavy lifting, from scripting videos all the way to designing your social media campaigns.
Now, this next tool is a total game changer. It's called Notebook LM, and it has this feature called Video Overview that's just mind-blowing. You can just dump all of your raw research, articles, notes, business plans into it, and it will turn all of that messy info into a perfectly polished script for an explainer video. And here's a pro tip for you. Use the custom instructions to guide it. You can tell it something like, focus on budget planning and make sure you emphasize the long-term ROI. You'll get an output that's perfectly tailored.
And just listen to a little piece of a script it generated. It says, do you ever feel like you're just drowning in busy work? All those little things like copying and pasting data, sending the same follow-up emails. I mean, listen to how natural that sounds. It's not just spitting out facts. It's actually crafting a human-sounding story.
Okay, next is Pomeli. This is basically like having a free AI-powered marketing agency. You just give it your website's URL and it goes to work. It scans your site, learns your branding, your exact colors, your fonts, your voice, and then it automatically generates entire social media campaigns that are perfectly on brand. You can even give it prompts like, hey, create a campaign for a one-day flash sale, and it will build out all the social posts for you. It's wild. Now, a quick but important heads up about Pomeli. This tool is brand new, so for right now, it's only available in a few places: the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So if you can't find it just yet, that's probably why. Just keep an eye out for it to roll out more widely. The last tool in our marketing section is Gemini Canvas. Oh man, we have all been there. You're staring at this super dense, text-heavy document like a report or a business plan, and you're just dreading having to turn it into a slide deck. Well, Canvas does it for you. You just upload the doc, and it automatically creates a beautiful, visually engaging presentation. And here's what makes it so amazing, in the words of someone who's already used it.
They said it didn't just copy and paste text, it restructured the entire information into slides, added relevant images and graphics, and created a clean visual layout. And that's really the key. It's not just slapping text on slides, it's using intelligence to design a great presentation for you. All right, on to our final section, Part 3, Create Pro-Level Assets. This is all about handling those tasks that you'd normally have to hire out for, like getting a photographer or a designer, or booking expensive studio time. Now, you can do all of it yourself for free.
So this next tool has a pretty memorable name, Nano Banana Pro. But don't let the silly name fool you. This is Google's high-end image generator, and it's built right into Gemini. You can use it to create absolutely stunning visuals. For example, try a prompt like, generate a product mockup of a minimalist water bottle on a clean white desk with professional lighting. What you get back looks like a commercial-grade photograph, and it takes seconds. And the quality is really, really good. As this quote points out, the images are totally competitive with what you'd get from expensive tools like Midjourney. The lighting looks professional, it looks real, it doesn't have that weird, uncanny, AI-generated vibe. It's perfect for your marketing.
And finally, we have multi-speaker audio generation. This is also inside AI Studio. And honestly, this could change everything. It lets you create studio-quality audio with multiple different voices having a natural, dynamic conversation. Just for some perspective, other platforms like 11 Labs can charge you up to $40 a month for this kind of quality. With this tool, it's totally free. And look at how ridiculously easy it is to use. Step 1, you paste in your script. Step 2, you pick the different voice profiles you want for each person speaking. And Step 3, you can add style notes, like telling it to make one voice high energy and another more thoughtful. It then generates a back-and-forth conversation that sounds incredibly realistic. So that's the whole shebang. A complete, powerful, and totally free AI tech stack that can fundamentally change how you run your business. Let's just do a quick final recap of everything you now have at your disposal. Let's just run it down one last time. You've got tools to build web apps and internal workflows. You can generate video scripts, create social media campaigns, design professional presentations, make high-quality images, and even produce multi-speaker audio. This is an entire integrated system, and it costs you absolutely nothing. And that really brings us to the most important question of all. Now that all of those financial barriers are gone, now that you have this complete AI tech stack right at your fingertips, what are you going to build first?